So when you're thinking about breaking in, did you guys just look around and saw what was there? Did you hire a market research company? Like, tell me.
Yeah, no, we went into it slowly and cautiously. And again, we were just myself, and I had an office manager, and that was it. And then we hired a couple of people to help sell it. And so we kept it very lean and mean, and and didn't really want to invest a lot. Wanted to sort of stay profitable and see where it would take us. We weren't in a hurry. It wasn't like, well, here's $1 million. I'm going to go blast the market. We're like, okay, here's a few cans and let's see if it sells. That type of thing. And our first big account was Sports Authority, rest in peace. But they did a wonderful job for us. And what we found where we were selling with them, even though it was across the country, we sold a lot in the altitude areas, like the Rocky Mountain areas. So then we went out there and hired a sales rep, and she kind of took off with it. And she's done a wonderful job sort of blanketing the Rocky Mountain region with it. And then being the first to market, it was an advantage.